If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together. Hey, how's it going today, everyone? I hope you're all doing great out there. Basically, I'm bringing you in here for a short-term play off a old support here. Down just below this strike where the Bollinger Band is, but we are going to wait for this to get a little cheaper, and then we'll get in for a nice either a short-term scalp or we'll end up holding till expiration. It all just depends. We got 3 minutes and 55 seconds left, but also I just wanted to cover the shadow trades that we've done so far for the week. Today is Wednesday, so we still have tonight's session and tomorrow's session. But so far, we've already had a great deal of trades this week and some great profits. So I'll go ahead and cover that with you guys here now. For session one, we had 2 total trades taken. One of those trades, the first trade we took, actually ended up being a loss, unfortunately. But the great news is that's our first loss for the month of May. And the second great news is on the second trade I alerted, we got in with more contracts, so we were actually able to counteract that loss and even still end with a profit overall for the session. So in the same session that we had our first loss, we were actually able to correct that loss and still end up profitable for the session, which means thus far for the month of May, so far every session has been profitable, which is tremendous. So, you know, we will also look, we can hit, that strike right there could be a nice short-term resistance. So if we aren't able to get in at the bottom, we can get in at the top too. And also it might have trouble crossing the center Bollinger. We'll just have to see. On session 2, we even more than made up for session 1 once again. We had 2 total trades taken and they were both winners. And then yesterday on session 3, we had 1 total trade taken and it was a winner as well. So overall, this week has been going tremendous. Like I said, we still have 2 more sessions tonight and tomorrow night. But after that, that will be the week. Yeah, we'll go ahead and get it. All right, we'll see if it'll let us in. At 25. Boom, there we go. So looking at about 100. We'll take profits around 50, maybe a little lower than 50, just because we did put a lot on the line for this, but I do see it. Yeah, 57, 65, boom, $65, just like that, guys. And just because I anticipated the short-term bounce from the center Bollinger and this short-term resistance over the past hour or so, as you can see here with the long wick here and then these long wicks here. Anytime you see that or some candle bodies that begin and end in the same area, that's how you can identify a nice support and resistance. You see a lot of price action in those areas. So I just want to bring you guys in for that, and that about sums this one up. If you want to learn more about how I trade and how to make more accurate and confident trading decisions to make you a better trader in these markets, then definitely check out the 2 links in the description below. One is a link to my educational package that goes over the exact strategies like what I used here and in my other videos to make trades, more profitable trades across the 5-minute binaries, the hourlies, you know, any contracts you want to trade. And the second would be a link to the shadow trading group where you can trade in my group, where I send my alerts to my entries and exits, and why I get in the trade, and the entry price and the exit price, and my overall target for the trade, you know, whether I want to scalp or stay in for the long haul. So if that sounds good to you guys, check out those links down below, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Peace. If you want to trade with me, I have a shadow trading program where you will be added to a private group and receive alerts in a moment's notice anytime I enter and exit a trade. Click the link in the description below and let's start making this money together.